And actually, there's a question on my card.
Oh, God.
Which is, I think, my favourite question ever on a card. It reads, was it at the cock that you learned to squeal like a pig?
No, that's because I do a good pig noise. It's my party trick. Oh, gosh, I've really made a fool out of myself.
No! Give us a bit of pig noise. That did not disappoint.
It is the funniest one I've there was a whole hand thing that needed to happen as well.
Deliverance would have been a completely different film if Ned Beatty had just gone. We could squeal like a pig without any assistance from me.
That was properly impressive.